product management, in particular for our mobile cloud RAN. He also joins us from Finland.
It's time. And good afternoon also on my behalf. I'm Jari Ruohonen, coming from Nokia Mobile Networks, and I'm going to speak about OpenEdge third generation product and about its design. Let's take a look. And this server has been designed and developed together with ASUS. So this was so it's joint development, and it's utilizing fourth generation Intel Xeon scalable processor called Sapphire Rapids as well many times in the industry. And we're going to highlight the main things of the new technology in this presentation. And of course, the biggest things in the product are basically the CPU itself and on PCI Express Generation 5 and the platform itself is of course (4,800 megatransfer per second), and this is also boosting up the performance rather a lot in the memory kind of applications needing memory. And I said Generation 4 from PCI Express is not anymore in this product, so it's Generation 5, and it has more lanes, from 64 to 80 lanes, what it can serve. And we have basically we have two variants of this server as such. We have 1U and 2U kind of sleds, and why we actually have also 2U is actually that it enables us to use hotter and higher TDP CPUs, and also we are able to host more PCI Express cards, accelerator cards, or could be also GPUs, depends on the use case. And Generation 5 PCI Express is used throughout all slots, so there are no limitations there. And of course, in the 2U system compared to the 1U, we are able to cool more in general, so it kind of gives us more freedom in the bill of materials of the server. And let's take a look why actually Nokia has done this product mainly. We have done it together with ASUS for the reason that specifically that we are able to use it in the cloud run or virtual run, like it's called in US. So, and although the product is good for running all kind of loads as well, but really this is the reason, and the benefits of course are in the use case of Cloud Run is hard one, so it's a very real-time oriented, very latency critical, and applications are demanding ones. So, and that's why this is kind of then answer to this problem. And this 2U server as such, this is able to give us 3 times more capacity compared to the 1U. So if you compare the same Sapphire Rapid server in 1U compared to the 2U, so we are able to have 3 times more capacity. And also then it means that the capacity per power is better. And also in Nokia we very much focus on the cost per cell and power per cell and this kind of thing. So this gives us definitely better numbers all over this kind of very important key performance indicators. And and also the of course this 1U server as such is a good one, but if you have a small, for instance, a case where you don't need much performance, or you just need limited number of resources, but the 2U is really for this purpose excellent. And about the mechanical designs of the both 1U and 2U, so these both products are full front accessible and without tools serviceable, so it's easy to maintain, and modular design, so all fan modules, SSD modules, RISE, M.2 modules, easy to handle, and also flexible fan module designs, and also the benefits of in general is that we are now having the 3rd generation product in our hands soon, but we are still able to utilize the previous generation chassis and, for instance, equipment what we have released already under OCP. So, for instance, front hall gateway. So we are able to still host in the same chassis. And server itself, this is a picture from 1U sled. So it's basically kind of rather typical Intel x86 server, but very, very dense format. So so we are able to have really to serve the sled itself having OCP and then slot and also full height, half length PCI card slots there, in addition to E1S SSD disks, NVMe disks, and so it's rather straightforward design, but works excellent. And the same motherboard can be used in both 1U and 2U versions. So it's of course the benefits are in the 2U that you have more cards there, more disks, and cooling is improved, so you are able to run it more hotter CPU loads there. And about products as such, information is found both from Nokia, ASUS, and OCP marketplace. So they are there and already today, and call to action. So this OpenEdge is covered under the telco project, and actually these specifications will be contributed rather soon, by the end, latest by end of this year, and actually already the product will be launched or generically available already in coming quarter, or this quarter already. By end of June we are already starting manufacturing, and product will be there. So that's basically very shortly said what is having. Any questions about the product?
All right, no questions? All right, thank you, Jari.
Okay, thank you.
So we're a little ahead of schedule here. The next speaker will start in about 10 minutes. You have time to check your email or other online stuff. Next couple of presentations will be about timing sync, and are actually coming out of our the OCP TAP project, the timing or time appliance project at OCP. And we'll start that in a few minutes here.